Good morning class. Today I want to describe about pair of linear equation in two variables for class 10th exercise 3.4 question number first part first. Concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Firstly I want to describe about form of pair of linear equation in two variables. Because you can ask question to me what is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. It is new for you, so you can ask question very easily. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. You can solve your question by two methods. First geometrical method, second algebraical method. Geometrical method shows three systems. First consistent system, second inconsistent system, third consistent dependent system. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. If a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then it shows intersecting line, consistent system and unique solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2, not equal to c1 by c2, then it shows parallel line and inconsistent system and no solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then it shows coincident line and consistent dependent system and infinitely many solutions. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Now I want to describe about algebraical methods. There are three types of algebraical methods. First, substitution method, second, elimination method, third, cross multiplication methods. Firstly, I want to describe about substitution methods. You can solve your question very easily by the help of substitution methods. It is very easy, but you concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration and see the board with full concentration. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget, like, subscribe and share. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. See the pair of linear equations in two variables for class 10 exercise 3.4. Question number first. Solve the following pair of linear equation by elimination method and the substitution methods. Clear? Part first, x plus y equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y equal to 4. It is given equation. You solve given equation by elimination method and by substitution method. Firstly, I want to solve by substitution methods. Clear? And find the value of x and the value of y. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Solution by substitution method. It is clear, given equation equations are x plus y equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y equal to 4. It is given equation. Given equations are clear, no confusion about it. Very good. It is equation second and it is equation first. Clear? By the help of equation first, Equation first. X plus y equal to 5. It is equation first. Clear? Here plus y. You can write it on right side of equal. It become x equal to 5 minus y. You find x equal to 5 minus y. Equation. Clear? Now substitute x equal to 5 minus y in equation second. Substituting x equal to 5 minus y in equation second. Clear? Equation second is two x minus 3y equal to 4. It is equation second. Clear? Now 2x minus 3y equal to 4. Equation second. 2 multiply 5 minus y. Here 2 multiply 5 minus y. The value of x equal to 5 minus y. Clear? Minus 3y equal to 4. You multiply by 2 and 5 and minus 1. 5 to the 10 minus 2y minus 3y equal to 4. Clear? Here minus 2y and here minus 3y. Clear? It become 10 minus 5y equal to 4. You write minus 5y on the right side of equal and 4 on left side of equal. It become 10 minus 4 equal to 5y. Here 5y with negative sign. When you write on right side of equal, then it become with positive sign. Here 4 with positive sign. When you write it on left side of equal, then it become with negative sign. 10 minus 4 equal to 6. 6 equal to 5y. Y equal to 6 by 5. You find the value of y equal to 6 by 5. Clear? Now put y equal to 6 by 5 in equation 5. In equation 5. Clear? Put y equal to 6 by 5 in equation first. Because here y equal to 6 by 5. Equation first is x plus y equal to 5. Here. Clear? X plus 6 by 5 equal to 5. You can write plus 6 by 5 on the right side of equal. It become x equal to 5 by 1 minus 6 by 5. Here 5. You can write it 5 by 1. Clear? Take LCM of 1 and 5. 5. 5 divided by 1 it become 5. 5 multiply 5 it become 25 minus 5 divided by 5 you find 1. 1 multiply by 6 it become 6. Now x equal to, here you subtract 25 minus 6 become 19. 19 by 5. You find x equal to 19 by 5. And here you find y equal to 6 by 5. Here you can write it as y equal to 6 by 5. Clear? You find y equal to 6 by 5 and x equal to 19 by 5. Clear? Hence we find x equal to 19 by 5 and y equal to 6 by 5. 6 by 5 by substitution method. By the help of substitution method. By substitution method, you solve your question very easily and you find the value of x and the value of y. Clear? Solution is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. In this way you can solve any question very easily. Clear? No confusion? Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget, like, subscribe and share. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Okay.